So, Akshaya, thank you for joining us. I'd love to hear more about what you're doing with your latest venture. This one in particular sounds incredibly interesting, particularly since it's all centered around AI, and that too in the area of wealth and finance. Very, very useful information that we can get. I'll allow you to really run us through what you're looking to do with Bridgeweave.
I think we have a wonderful, wonderful product, the like that does not exist in the market today. It is a product of many years of experience and ambition and aspirations. And we have now, with the latest technology that is available, brought it together in a very real, tangible way. And I think it will make a difference to how people think, how people invest. To give you an example, I mean, I think in the last 18 months, the world has seen an explosion of retail investors. It is the golden age for retail investment, I think. And most of these people who come are not just young, but they are digital. And when you have a digital investor, they don't want an interrupted journey. They want to complete everything on the mobile. And all of them have come into the market. And our thesis is that to make these investors successful and to help them become a responsible investment generation, they need two things. One is they need the easy ability to trade on their mobiles. And there are any number of people who do that.
Yeah.
But second thing, they need to know what to buy.
A lot of people have tried to do this in kind of different kinds of apps, maybe not the same thing, but trying to digitize the flow of information. Want to get a sense of what the investor has taken to, because do you feel they're still going to platforms which are also allowing them to invest? I'm just going to take a name like Zerodha, for example, which are a little bit more consumer friendly in terms of having the services there at their fingertips, or do you think they're actually investing time in knowledge-based apps as well?
So, you mentioned Zerodha. It's a great example. I think Zerodha is a very necessary service, and I'm just using Zerodha as a surrogate for all other online brokers. They have made it very easy, they have made it low cost, and they have made it very consumer friendly. But Zerodha alone is not enough. Just being able to buy something doesn't mean you know what to buy. So that's where we come in. We give you very high quality information, and all our information is predictive in nature. So we are a lot of information apps are there who will tell you what has happened. We are the only service that tells you what is likely to happen.
Okay, and how expensive is it? I'm asking a very direct question, but for a retail investor or a young investor, is it prohibitive? Is it easy to adapt?
No, it's 1,400 rupees a month for the full, all works, all market, global plan, 600 insights at any particular time. And we have a special plan for India that's 800 rupees a month.
With India being emerging as, not only just a market, but also I think a center of gravity, for your in-house incubation unit as well for Bridgeweave Labs. So talk to us how India is emerging quite strategically in your overall plans.
India is a phenomenally strategic market for us. Some good reasons and some not so good reasons. Firstly, it is a market of scale like no other, except maybe China, and that's just difficult to access. So for practical purposes, India is the only market of this kind of scale. Brazil is probably the third one, so unmatched scale. Secondly, the youth, the demographic, the young demographic, which is highly digital. So the digital intensity of Indian user is off the charts high.
After 41 years, this is yet another venture. And I know you love it, but still, just give us some kind of insight into, where you're at.
I'm evangelizing the cause of the elder entrepreneur.
Right.
We have seen 25, 30-year-old people coming and setting up great companies.
Yes.
But I am evangelizing the cause of the 50s plus. They come with a lot of experience and a lot of desire to be entrepreneurs. And I think, because one of the things that makes InvestorAi what it is decades of experience in the industry. It's not just cool technology. It is when you marry decades of experience and cool technology, then you can produce something very interesting.
Thank you so much. It was great chatting with you today.
Thank you, Aabha. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Bye.